This chart right here, these couple lines are the main reason, if not the only reason, I have chosen Teachable above all other platforms. Are you ready? It's so important and yet it's pretty advanced. So here we go. See these lines here, right? So what I'm talking about are affiliate payouts. This is, if you're not familiar with affiliate world, that would be, I have a course for $100. You took my course, for example, you love it and you want to help me promote it. And so you say, I took Bradley's course. It was fantastic. Here's the link. Check it out, right? And so you're an affiliate for me. You get a commission, you get a kickback, you get a finder's fee, you get a whatever you want to call it. So in the generous world of digital world, and this is after research I've done, I offer 40%. So, yep, you might say, Bradley, why in the world do you offer 40%? And I say, because I wouldn't get that sale if you weren't promoting it. And then, frankly, you are really a better representation of the results of my course or my coaching or my digital whatever offer, digital file than I am, right? If I just say, my stuff's great, I'm awesome, I'm a great teacher, blah, 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 that's great. But if you're the student and you say, Bradley's awesome, great, it's more believable. So it's win, 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 really, right? Win me, win you, win student. So, all right, I'm getting sidetracked because I really love affiliate marketing. I think it's awesome. I like to call it ambassador marketing. And if you can check out my ambassador stuff, I'm happy to talk. You're happy to apply for my program. Although the easiest way to apply for my program is to take one of my courses and then be an ambassador for any of my courses. And then, yep, I will offer you 40%. So back to as the owner of a Teachable site, why Teachable is it has something that I think no other site has. And I've done my research. I looked at Kajabi, I looked at Thinkific, I looked at a few others I can't remember the names of, and they don't do this little chart. Here's the chart. Ready? So uh, I get paid by the student, $100, right? $100 goes to Teachable. The student pays Teachable. So then there's this, you have two options within Teachable. Do you want to do this Teachable payment? So technically then what's happening is the student pays Teachable, right? And then Teachable pays me. And the beauty of that one is Teachable pays me and then Teachable pays you. So here, let me show you the bad news, or like the option I don't like. It's this one. It's the custom payment gateway. So the school owner is responsible for payouts, right? That's here. So that means Teachable gets 100 and I get 100 minus their, little fees. And so let's just call it simple for a minute here. I get $100. And then I'm responsible for paying my affiliate. I'm responsible for paying you, the person who promoted my course. Now, responsible in all manners of the word responsible. I've got whenever I want to do it, however much I want to do. If I remember, you did two courses or was it one course? Did you do three? I can't remember. Did they all work? And it's all up to me. That's not even the worst part, although that part is pretty bad. The worst part is taxes. So I now have $100 income and I have to declare you with $40 cost, right? So that was like a cost of sale. I have to pay you, and I don't know, I can't remember how this works. Like in the States, I think it's above like $600 or something like that. If you make more than $600 from me, which would be if you sold two of my coaching packages above $1,000, you'd make more than $600. And then I have to declare you, I have to write a 1099 for you and all that stuff, which honestly, I don't really want to do. I don't want to get into. I don't want to get into that stuff. I don't want to get into taxes and 1099s yet. Whereas here's the fun part. Ready? And if you're not following, put a comment in here and just let me know your question because I've been looking at this stuff for so long and I love it. And people always ask me, what do I use Teachable or Thinkific or Kajabi or what do I use? And this is really at the end of the day, this is the deal breaker right here. So this is then, let's go this way. So you use Teachable payments, which again means the student pays $100. Teachable gets the $100. And then Teachable pays me 60 and pays you 40, right? For like a coaching program, $1,000. Teachable gets 1,000. Teachable pays me 600 and pays you 400. So check out this part. Do you have back office enabled? And that's like you check a box to enable back office. And what it's doing is you're basically enabling Teachable as the financial center, as like the bank. And then Teachable gets the payment and Teachable pays me and pays you. So the beauty of this, the true, darling, lovely, gorgeous beauty of this entire thing. And if you're not following me, well, if you're not following, you're probably not watching anymore. But if you have any inkling of what I'm going on about here, you will see if you've shopped around, like this is so key. This is so important. So now think about this. I I no longer get $1,000 of income from Teachable. I get 600, which makes my taxes and administration so much easier. And you, dear affiliate, you get 400. And who's your payer? Teachable. So who does it say on your tax form or whatever? Teachable. And depending on where you live in the world, and all you got to do is a PayPal address, right? You do a PayPal address, you get $400 in your PayPal address. That's it. And who's the payer? Teachable. Not me, not Bradley, not Repossible, nothing to do with me. No taxes. You don't have to ask me at the end of the year, Bradley, send me a 1099. Nope. I am not your employer. In weird way, I'm not even your affiliate. It's like we're sharing the cost and Teachable's paying it. So Teachable pays me 60 and you 40, right? Okay, I'm going to add another little level of complexity for those of you still watching. And that is coupons. I'm a huge coupon fan. Maybe it's the American in me, I don't know. I love coupons and I love offering them. I think it's really fun. But also coupons can be a good tracking mechanism, right? Like I say, okay, use the coupon porcupine. And then I know, I used that coupon porcupine on that particular podcast. So I can track that, right? I can say, okay, how many sales did I get with the coupon porcupine, right? So I can also say, I have a coupon called Samantha, right? And that's you. You're Samantha, the affiliate. And you are then going to offer that when you're offering my course, my program, my coaching package, whatever you're offering of mine and you say, hey, Bradley's course or coaching was great. Check it out. Here's the link. And by the way, dear friends of Samantha, that's you say, I can offer you discount for Bradley's course because I already took his course. I can offer you a coupon, dear potential students, of 25%. That's my sort of standard coupon rate, 25%. So that means I should really write a spreadsheet for this. That means now you offer a discount, which I think is awesome. And the student who came in through you now doesn't pay a thousand, but pays 750 because they're thrilled, right? They got a coupon from you. That's so nice of you, right? It makes you look even better. Not only are you recommending this course, this program, or whatever, but you're offering a coupon to boot. So they already hopefully know, like, and trust you. And so like, Samantha, I would have bought that thing without the coupon. And actually, if you think about it, you don't have to use a coupon, right? Because a coupon, guess what that's going to do? That's going to reduce back over here. That's going to reduce the income to Teachable down to 750. So if the $1,000 coaching package and we're down to coupon for 25%, we're down to 750. So now guess what? That gets split 60-40. And I do not have a calculator in my hand. Let's pretend so instead of 600, 400, now it's 25% of 600. Oh, I know what that is. That's going to be like 450 from me. And what were you getting? 400, 60% of 400? I don't know, 300. So 450 for me and 300 for you, right? Not exactly, but you get the idea. So coupons are awesome, and that could bring in that extra customer, that extra student, because you offered a coupon. Yay, awesome. But remember, that's going to reduce your commission because it reduces the fee they paid. Okay, as I talk through this, I should really make a pretty spreadsheet about this. I'll try to make one and share it and put it somewhere in the comments or something like that. But what I really wanted to get across, this is really the reason I love Teachable and I chose it. This little chart is why I chose Teachable because it saves me hassle, headache, time, money, administration, and taxes. How's that for a list? Time, money, headache, administration, and taxes? Hello, can I please have none of that? Here you go, use this. All right. Um, Briefly, I just looked at the pricing page. And I realized that this affiliate marketing stuff, this is only with the pro package. So if you're new to Teachable and you haven't used it yet, go ahead and sign up for the free or the basic, whatever. Get started. Like I'd sign up for free if you don't have a course or anything. Sign up for free, get started, figure it out, play around, and then basic or then pro. But if you really want to get into affiliate marketing, and my strategy for affiliate marketing, by the way, is kind of as I mentioned earlier, it's really your students are your best ambassadors, right? If they're happy, I should say, when they're happy, they can go out into the world and spread the love of your awesome program, right? And then you can offer them a thank you finder's fee for sharing the message. And not just, hey, thanks, that was really nice, but hey, thanks, here's 40% of the sale, right? Gotta love it. Okay, that is the one reason why I use Teachable over any other program. And until any other program even comes close to something like that, I ain't no switching. So that's it. I'm Bradley Charbonneau at Repossible. Here, I have really weird courses like this one. Um, this is how to write well, I keep changing the name. How to write your first book ever. And in fact, if you don't know me, check this out. Here, I'll put the link in below as well. But this used to be called Worst Book Ever. Now it's called First Book Ever. I'm going to help you write your first book, ideally nonfiction, to help promote you as an expert in a very short time and make a really short book out of it. That's the kind of fun stuff, kind of fun courses I do. So that's it. Come check my stuff out. I'll put my link in the notes. I'll also put the affiliate link to. So speaking of affiliate link, here, just for full disclosure, I use an affiliate link for Teachable. So if you sign up for Teachable, I get a commission as a thank you from Teachable. And sorry if this is confusing. This has nothing to do with my affiliate program, but it's Teachable's affiliate program. Why do they do this? Because the same thing. Their happy users, like me, are their best ambassadors. Exactly. That's why I'm making this video. Here's another good point. Would I make this video if I didn't potentially get a commission? Probably not. I mean, I love Teachable and I love helping and I love teaching and I love people saving people money and taxes and headache and nightmare. But would I do it without the commission I'm going to get from them? Maybe, but it sure is a nice financial incentive for me to do that. So clearly, I'm a big fan of affiliates. If you'd like to become an affiliate of mine, you can go to ambassador.repossible.com. I'll put a link down below. And thanks for watching. And I hope I can save you some headache or nightmare or turmoil or taxes or admin or money or time or all of the above. That's it for me. That's it for now. I'm Bradley Charbonneau, Every Possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.